Good morning, class, and happy Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I hope that you guys are ready for another week of distance learning. I'm sure that you guys all know that they did announce that we are not going to be going back to school. We're going to continue doing the distance learning, and I want you guys to know how heartbroken I am. I really miss you, and I was really hoping that I'd be able to see you again and hug you again. And hopefully I will be able to just at least see you. But if not, just know that I love you and I care about you and I think about you all the time. And you guys were one of the best fourth grade classes I've ever had, and I'm going to remember you guys forever. And I'm so sad that we didn't get to do everything that I planned together. I had so many things planned. And I'm gonna try. I've had to modify a lot of things. I'm gonna try to keep some of those same things, but we'll see. But I really just want you guys to know that I think about you all the time, and I'm glad that you guys are doing well. I hope that you and your families are staying healthy and well. And if you need anything, let me know. For this week, I kind of wanted to go over a couple of things. So we have the same Flipgrids for our check-ins. Spelling City every day. We're going to take our test on Friday. Make sure you're taking that test. If you need more time, if you need me to extend that date, I can. Just let me know. We're going to do a Google Meets on Monday as normal at 10 o'clock. And then same thing, Right Source. Now on Wednesday, we're going to be reading a new junior grade book this week. And I want to try to do a discussion. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a Google Meet on Wednesday at 11. And we're going to try to do a little discussion through Google Slide. Okay, so I'll give you more direction on that. But I really love our discussions that we have. So I really want to try to do that. And then again, just kind of spend some time working on your ABC book. If you need help trying to get in contact with your partner, or you still don't have a partner and you want one, let me know. If you haven't started that yet, I would get started on that. Again, it's due May 11th, but I will give you until however long you need, okay? I want you guys to know with everything that I know that distance learning is different and your days look different. And it's hard to sit in front of a computer all day. So you guys can take the time that you need to work on things. If you're working on something and you've been working on it for a long time and you don't want to keep working on it, you can wait and do it the next day, okay? Don't worry about turning things in late right now. Do what you guys need to do. It's take care of yourselves. Do what you guys need to do. Take breaks when you need. Have snacks when you need. If you feel like it's overwhelming, talk to me. Okay, we'll work it out. If you feel like you just need to take a break for that day. Okay, don't worry about turning things in late. Okay, I promise I'm not going to be upset at all. Okay, I'm never upset with stuff like that. Okay, math. I am going to have you start doing some multiplication practice. So I did put on there, it's kind of like a matching game. I put directions on there, but basically you go on there and you pick a card and you just delete that top picture, and then you go to another one and you delete it. If it's a match, just keep it and find another match. If it's not a match, then you can click the little undo arrow, or you can do Control Z or Command Z. Control Z on a regular computer, Command Z on a Mac computer or an Apple computer. And it'll just undo it and it'll re-put that picture on there. I want you guys just to maybe spend a couple days doing that and just practicing. If you have flip cards at home, be doing those. I just want you guys to really be practicing your math, multiplication and division facts, okay? I have a multiplication one. I'll be working on getting a division one made. There's videos on there on 13.4 and 13.5 if you need. These are Google Forms. If you have any issue with the Google form, let me know. We are going to do a wetland PowerPoint. So your paper that you're going to use is going to look like, it's just a single, or sorry, we did wetlands last week. I'm so sorry. It's forest. I accidentally did wetland, but I'll change that. But it's forest, so it looks like this. It's just a double-sided paper. Looks like that. That's what you're going to be working on. Again, take as many days to work on it as you need. You can go through that slowly on your own. Social studies number 17, we're going to do that this week. take a couple days if you need. Be working on your I Survived essay. A lot of you guys have turned those into me already. Good job, but if not, don't worry. Keep taking your time. I had the due date set to this coming Friday, the 24th, I think. Yeah, 25th. Yeah. But if you guys need more time, that's fine. Just let me know and just send it to me when you're done, and I'll get that grade put in. A couple of other things. Miss Furness, I put her Google Classroom on here that she's going to be adding activities for PE, as well as Mrs. Petty. She sent me her Google Classroom, so now that's on there, and she also has little art projects that you can do. So I know that you guys were working on ABC books and ABC art, so you guys can continue working on those. I do have your guys' books at school. I'll have to send those home pretty soon. Dance, Miss Indigo keeps sending me videos to put on there. Make sure you're doing those. Library, make sure you're reading any books. One thing, if you guys have library books at your house, see if you can find a time to drop those off and get those back to school, okay? That way we get those back for next year. As always, if you guys have any questions, please, please, please let me know. You guys are doing great at putting your questions on the Google Classroom for that day. You guys are really awesome. You guys are turning in such great work, and I'm really, really proud of you. And I want you to know that I just really miss you, and I hope that I get to see you soon. And I hope that you guys are all doing well. I love you guys. Bye.